To have the better control of the parameters, I will just open items on one side of the screen. Edit. I will open my item in here and requisition worksheet on the left, so you will be able to see the changes we did. Okay, so first, fixed reorder quantity. In this case, system based its calculation on two fields: reorder point with this inventory quantity system will use as a reorder point. Below this point, system will suggest creating new purchase order for reorder quantity. So if we put 200 in here, now when system reaches reorder point, it will use this reorder quantity. Okay, so let's check that. To save this information, we have to go with OK. Now we will use calculate plan function. I will take 2 months for this planning as a period. We will not use forecast, and I will just pick our item for this planning. System makes some calculations and it's creating new line for the purchase order with our vendor number. Action message is new. That means system suggests creating new purchase order for this item and this quantity. Let's open item card again and we'll make some changes to it. Now let's use some order modifiers. We can use them in any reorder policy. So if you want to use minimum order quantity or maximum order quantity, you can use it as well as with this reordering policy. Okay, so let's now switch to maximum quantity. In this method, system works pretty similar than fixed order quantity. In this case, it also uses reorder point, but for orders, it uses maximum inventory. In this case, each time we run this calculate plan function, the quantity that system suggests can be different because it always needs to be filled into maximum inventory. In this case, minimum and maximum order quantity are very useful because if you have some rules with your vendor that some quantities minimum or maximum on the order, then you can use them for fixing quantities that has been calculated by the system. Okay, so let's try to do this. Let's go with OK. Now I will delete this line and go with calculate again. Now system has calculated 300 for this order.